Oh, hey, Tucker. Are you hanging out with us in the kitchen? Look who's over here. Look, peeking in. Look who's peeking in. Who's that naughty monkey? Mocha. Oh, and Fiona. Hi, Fiona. Mocha, what did you do? You jumped up on your little barrel because you wanted to see what's going on in the kitchen? You're a foodie. Aren't you? You're a foodie, Mocha. Mocha would like to come in the kitchen. Wouldn't you? You're silly. Fiona, you're such a good girl. You're very good puppies. Hi, ladies. Tucker, I love you. Tucker, little face. I love your little face. Are you helping us do laundry? Look. Tucker's helping. You're helping us with the laundry? Good boy, I love you. You're a good puppy.